GrantWatch Pricing and Plans Explained. In this video, we will be explaining the GrantWatch pricing and plan options. A GrantWatch subscription will give you full access to verified and current grant funding opportunities in all 50 USA states, U.S. territories, and Canadian provinces. We also have a section dedicated to international grants. Roughly 70% of the grants listed are from foundations and corporations. The remaining 30% are from government funders. Although there is a fee to use our service, there is no fee to apply for any grants on GrantWatch. GrantWatch charges upfront for the initial billing period. There are 4 different payment plans which all give you the same level of access, however, differ based on the length of your subscription. We are unable to prorate the difference if you wish to change your subscription. All pricing is in US dollars. You can cancel or change your plan at any time. Choose from the following options: $18 for a weekly subscription, $45 for a monthly subscription, $90 for a quarterly subscription, or $199 for an annual subscription. Our pricing is the same for everyone, regardless of your organization type or status. If you are interested in a library license, please visit our contact form to receive a custom quote. GrantWatch will automatically continue your membership, and you will be billed at the start of each subscription period according to the plan you choose until you opt out of the auto-renew program or email our support team. We offer 2 different gateway types for payment. Sometimes, one processor may reject a payment and another will let it pass through. If your initial payment is not successful on Gateway 1, try your payment again with Payment Gateway 2. Alternatively, you may wish to pay by check. To do this, visit the Pricing and Plans page and select the subscription of your choice. Scroll to the bottom of the page where you will see Check Payment Form and click that icon. You will need to fill out the required information on this page. Once this is completed, our support team will reach out to you with further information. We hope this video has been helpful to you today. Learn more and discover other videos we have in our GrantWatch tutorial series.